Here's some 90s luxury at Unique Specialty and Classics. Take a look at this one. 1995 Cadillac Sedan Deville. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual miles, just a little over 79,000 is all. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front bumper, headlights, grille, hood ornament, all in good shape up here. This color considered light beige. I believe paint code was number 57. And take a look at this. This car will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, the paint shows well on this one. Check out the still pictures. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let's take a look down the passenger side. Has a matching leather interior. Split bench seat up front. Power seats both sides. We'll get around to the driver's side and I'll let you take a look at the interior a little closer. Options equipment. First, let's finish looking at this passenger side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. So we take a look at the rear. There was a couple little spots right down here. It looks like might have a couple little things that were repaired. Nothing major, but I wanted to point those out. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. You'll see in the trunk, undersides, interior, engine bay. Take a look at the undersides. Very clean undersides. This is not a Midwestern car. And it definitely shows. Riding on the correct Cadillac wheels. Michelin radials. As we take a look down the driver's side. Of course, equipped with power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. It's actually electronic climate control that is working. Radio works, power antenna. I mentioned both power seats a little earlier. Let's take a look in the back, show you the back seat condition. And also take a look at the armrest. I'll show you the one up front too. No discoloration, really any wear. Signs of use at all. Rears of the seats, good shape. And you can also see by the leather, the rear seat. Doesn't look like it's even been sat in a whole lot back here. Look at all that room. What a great car for taking down the highway. All right, front door panel, and again, take a look at the armrest, just really lack of any wear up here too. Of course, power windows, power mirrors, power seats, both sides. There's a recliner, power recliner, and you can see that the seats are also in good shape. You're gonna have some of this wrinkling like you get with a natural leather hide, as it is used in satin and wrinkles and moves. I've not noticed any rips, tears, or holes in the interior. Of course, tilt and cruise, driver's information center. Take a quick peek at the headliner here. Headliner, good shape, and you'll be able to look at the interior from every angle also. Monitoring systems, all okay. There's your exact miles, 79,602. Stereo system, AM, FM cassette. Yes, it is working. Electronic climate control here. Top of the dash. Also looking good. One thing I forgot to mention was the carpet earlier. The floor mat's in great shape on both sides. You can see I took out the floor mat on the driver's side so you can see the carpeting underneath it. Great condition. Take a look at the still pictures. Let's go ahead and release this hood. Slip around in the back so you can hear it run. What you'd expect. These things have a nice, quiet interior going down the road, and you can see why. The car doesn't make a lot of noise on the exterior. Power antenna you can see in the back there working. Radio's still on. See if I can get this hood one-handed. I think I can. Here it is, 4.9 liter V8. First of all, look at the underside of that hood. The hood liner does not look like this car has been driven in inclement weather. Doesn't surprise me because it is not a Midwest car. Remember, clean Carfax, confirmed miles, no accidents indicated. There it is, smooth running 4.9 liter V8. There's the battery disconnect, just so you know, over here on the battery. Engine bay looks good, sounds good. There you go, 1995 Cadillac Sedan Deville. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in. The number you can call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online. On our website, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1995 Cadillac Deville. Very nice condition vehicle. Kind of a light cream color on the outside. Similar color on the inside with wood grain. Good acceleration in this car. As with most Cadillacs, a very comfortable ride. You got leather seating, smooth suspension. If I let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. Very smooth ride, no shakes or jiggles. We have a digital speedometer, and the odometer is reading 79,600 miles. The radio's working good. If there is any flicker in the dash lighting, that is just our camera's frame rate and not the vehicle itself. Brakes are working well. Very quiet ride. Typical of Cadillac with luxury. Corners well. Very good running Cadillac. Check out this 1995 Deville at UniqueClassicCars.com.